Hello everyone, let's explain the accuracy, calibration of DXL360S gyroscope. Before calibration, find a flat tabletop and a vertical wall surface and form a 90 degrees between the two surfaces. Clean the inclinometer's reference surfaces and calibration areas with lint-free wipes. Long press the set to enter the device management page. With the 0, move the cursor to Gyro Cal. Press the set again to enter gyroscope calibration. In the process of calibration, we use the vertical line on the wall as the reference line and place the instrument over. Press the set to start calibration. Pick up the inclinometer and place it forward, and rotate 360 degrees left around the axis according to the prompts. Return to the original position after the rotation is complete. Press the set again to start calibration. Pick up the inclinometer and place it forward, and rotate 360 degrees right around the axis according to the prompts. Return to the original position after the rotation is complete. Press the set the calibration ends. With the hold, move the cursor to return to main page. Press the set and return to the main page. Now, let's verify the accuracy of the gyroscope. Short press the set to enter the gyroscope. You can see the value remains highly stable with no reading drift. The reading at this time is 360.2 degrees. The gyroscope accuracy of the inclinometer is ±0.5 degrees. The gyroscope of this digital inclinometer meets the specified accuracy standards.